New York City, the Big Apple. A melting pot of cultures, a concrete jungle, a city that never sleeps. From its humble beginnings as New Amsterdam, a Dutch trading post, to its current status as a global powerhouse, New York has always been a city on the move. First settled in the early 17th century, New York City quickly became a hub for trade and immigration. Waves of people from all corners of the globe flocked to its shores, each leaving their mark on the city's ever-evolving identity. The Dutch, the English, the Irish, the Italians, the Chinese, the list goes on. Each group brought their traditions, their languages, their food, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures that continues to define the city today. It's this unique blend of influences, this constant state of flux, that makes New York so damn exciting. It's a city that's constantly reinventing itself, always pushing boundaries, always hungry for more. No trip to New York City is complete without paying homage to Lady Liberty. Standing tall on Liberty Island, she's a beacon of hope, a symbol of freedom and opportunity. Take the ferry over, feel the wind in your hair, and gaze up at this awe-inspiring monument. Remember the millions who, like you, saw her as a promise of a better life. But New York's iconic landmarks aren't just about grand gestures. They're also about the green heart of the city, Central Park. A sprawling oasis amidst the urban chaos, Central Park is a breath of fresh air, literally. Stroll through its winding paths, rent a rowboat on the lake, or simply relax on a bench and watch the world go by. Manhattan, the beating heart of New York City, a gridlock of yellow cabs, towering skyscrapers, and a relentless energy that's both exhilarating and exhausting. Lose yourself in the neon-drenched chaos of Times Square, where billboards scream for your attention and the streets are alive with performers, tourists, and the constant hum of the city that never sleeps. But there's more to Manhattan than just sensory overload. Head downtown to the financial district, where Wall Street's towering giants cast long shadows over the charging bull. Pay your respects at the solemn Ground Zero Memorial, a poignant reminder of the city's resilience in the face of tragedy. Venture beyond the frenzy of Manhattan and discover the unique character of New York City's other boroughs. Cross the Brooklyn Bridge, a feat of engineering and an icon in its own right. Explore the trendy cafes and vintage shops of Williamsburg. Wander through the vibrant street art murals of Bushwick. Head to Queens, the city's most ethnically diverse borough, for a culinary adventure. From steaming bowls of Vietnamese pho to spicy Szechuan noodles, Queens is a food lover's paradise. Don't forget the Bronx, the birthplace of hip-hop and home to the legendary Yankee Stadium. Section 5. A room with a view from budget to extravagance. Finding a place to crash in New York City can be as daunting as navigating the subway at rush hour. But don't worry, there's a bed for every budget. If you're looking to splurge, check into a luxurious hotel in Midtown. Wake up to panoramic city views, indulge in room service, and pretend you're living the high life. For a more authentic and affordable experience, try a boutique hotel in Soho or the Lower East Side. Or, embrace the backpacker spirit and snag a bed in a hostel in the East Village. Just be prepared to share a bathroom with a few new friends. Section 6. A city that never sleeps or stops eating. New York City is a culinary melting pot, a smorgasbord of flavors from every corner of the globe. Grab a dollar slice of pizza from a street vendor, it's a New York rite of passage. Devour a pastrami on rye at a deli in the Garment District. Slurp down some oysters at a seafood shack in Chelsea Market. For a fine dining experience, make a reservation at one of the city's Michelin-starred restaurants. From innovative tasting menus to classic French cuisine, New York's high-end dining scene is second to none. Section 7. Broadway, baby. Entertainment galore. Ready for some entertainment? Look no further than Broadway. Catch a Tony Award-winning musical, a side-splitting comedy, or a thought-provoking drama. The bright lights of Broadway are an experience you won't soon forget. But New York's entertainment scene isn't just about the stage. Catch a live jazz performance in Greenwich Village, a stand-up comedy show in the West Village, or an indie rock concert in Brooklyn. Section 8. Bright lights, big city, New York after dark. When the sun goes down, New York City truly comes alive. The city that never sleeps embraces the night with open arms, offering a dizzying array of after-dark activities. Sip on handcrafted cocktails in a speakeasy in the East Village. Dance the night away at a rooftop bar in the Meatpacking District. For a more laid-back evening, catch a movie at a classic movie theater in Greenwich Village, or simply wander the streets and soak up the electric atmosphere of the city that never sleeps. Section 9, The Concrete Jungle, A Call to Adventure. So there you have it, a virtual taste of New York City. But let's be real, nothing beats experiencing it for yourself. The energy, the grit, the sheer overwhelmingness of it all, it's something you have to feel to truly understand. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and come experience the city that never sleeps. Just try to keep up.